We got air. We got air, man. What's going on? Anyway, let's see if we can see it. The camera doesn't do the best pictures, that's for sure. So anyway, we got air, huh, Chubby? What a mess. I'm gonna clean up all this shit. Anyway, so that's what's going on, huh, Chubby? Chubby, you like that, huh? Oh, it's freaking hot today, man. It's already late. I mean, I don't know what time it is, but it's probably 4 o'clock. But at least the rest of the summer we'll be able to enjoy this big dog. It's pretty much how it is. There's a couple of things I got to do still, but we got Lowe's biggest air conditioner and a sliding window. So yes, it can be done. There's all kinds of YouTube videos on it, so I kind of did it the same way. Well, a couple things different, but anyway, that's about the size of it. Got a little remote, so I just got to clean up the mess now. Hoopa, what do you think, Poopy? Hoopa, what do you think, Oopie? Yeah, big Hoopa. Huh? Anyway, that's it.